Hello guys, here I come back with another video. This video I'm going to show you how electric kettle works. So let's see. Uh, so what you have to do, you have to plug this thing to a plug point, and you just have to just put the kettle over here. You just put the kettle like this over here, and it will adjust it like this. And now just pour a cup of glass of water. Poured cup of glass of water. So by this electric kettle you can boil water. You can boil also milk, and also you can add little pieces of chicken in this electric kettle to if you want to have a boiled chicken. So let's poured this water in this electric kettle like this. Okay, so just you have to close it off, and you just have to switch on, and you have to switch on here again. So it will, I guess it will take less than a minute to boil. uh, So also I have made this the unboxing video of this kettle. It is good to have it for like bachelors, those who stays in PG or hostel. You can buy this kind of product in any departmental store like Big Bazaar or DMart. Also, this kind of products are available in Amazon or Flipkart. So it's good to have it. So let's buy from there. Well, and I think in here in this kettle there is a auto switch off switch on. So when this in this I mean when the water gets boiled properly, it's automatically switch off. I guess it I guess it will happen now. Let's say, yeah. So you can see this. It is good to have it. Good to have product for bachelors. Okay, so let's switch off this thing. And okay, so water already gets boiled. So now I just add a tea bag in here, and it is a Tetley green tea bag. Well, this kind of Tetley tea bag also available in Flipkart or Amazon and any departmental store. And just now what I have to do, I have to pour this boiled water in here in this cup. You can see the heat here. Well, you can boil the milk in here. Those who like to drink milk, and also you can add complan in the milk, boiled milk. Well, so you can see that it is very easy to use. So anyone can use it. So it is not a rocket science or this kind of thing. So it is good to have like this product. So please, if you want, you can buy it from Amazon and Flipkart. These are the, as I said earlier, that this kind of products are already available in the departmental store like DMart, Big Bazaar, and also in online like Flipkart or Amazon. So okay, that's it for today, and please subscribe, like and subscribe my channel Lives and Sports. Please, 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 thank you guys.